Hello guys, this is Usman here again. Welcome to another video of IKMC exam solutions. In this video, I will be solving some more questions from the 2019 exam for the Ecolier group, which is for the grade 1 and 2. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, we're going to start this video from question number 17. And the question says, a cat and a bowl of milk are in the opposite corners of the board. The cat can only move as shown by the arrows. In how many ways can the cat reach the milk? So I would urge you guys to pause this video now and give it a try. Now let's solve it together. So we're going to be solving the question over here. First, we're going to get some arrows. The blue one and the red one. Right? Now let's duplicate them. Okay. So the cat can go like this, firstly. Okay. It's gonna go from the outside. So we have one pattern. The second pattern is that the cat goes from the other opposite side over here. So that's the second pattern. The third pattern is that the cat goes from here. That's the third pattern. The fourth pattern is that the cat goes like this. Yeah. That's our fourth pattern. The sixth pattern is the cat goes from here. Like this. That's our fifth pattern. And the sixth pattern is that the cat goes like this. Okay? That's our sixth one. So, in how many ways can the cat reach the milk? Our answer is 6, which is option E. Now we are going to solve question number 18. And the question says, on a farm, there are only sheep and cows. The number of sheep is 8 more than the number of cows. The number of cows is half the number of sheep. How many animals are on the farm? So now I would urge you guys to pause this video now and give it a try. Now let's solve it together. So we have two statements. The first one is that the number of sheep is 8 more than the number of cows. And the second one being the number of cows is half the number of sheep. Okay. So let's say we have 16 animals on the farm. Okay. We have 16 animals. And another thing, we have cows and sheep, right? Cows and we have sheep. For cows, I'm going to be using the blue color. So the number of cows are going to be written with the blue color, and the number of sheep are going to be written with the green color. Okay? So we have 16 animals on the farm. Out of which there must be 12 sheep. If there are 12 sheep, the number of cows are 8 less, right? So there must be 12 minus 8 for cows. Or you can also say that the number of cows, which is 4, is 8 less than the number of sheep. So 4 plus 8, 12. Okay? So our first statement is correct. The number of sheep is 8 more than the number of cows. Or the cows are 8 less than the number of sheep. Right? The second statement is that the number of cows is half the number of sheep. So 12 isn't the half of 4. Or the 4 isn't the double of 12. So 16 cannot be the answer. Okay? Now let's try option B, 20. There are 20 animals on the farm, right? So there must be 5 cows, and the number of sheep must be 8 more, which is 5 plus 8, 13. Actually, the total animals are 18. Okay, so we have 18 animals, 5 of them are cows, and 13 of them are sheep. Okay, the first statement is correct, but the second statement isn't, as 13 isn't the half of 5, or 5 isn't double of 13. So, B cannot be the answer. Now let's try option C. So we have 20 animals on the farm, right? The number of cows must be 6. So the number of sheep are 6 plus 8, 14, right? So our first statement is correct, but the second statement isn't, as 14 isn't half of 6 and 6 isn't the double of 14. So option C cannot be the answer. Now option D, 24. So we have 24 animals on the farm, and we have 8 cows, right? And we have 8 plus 8, 16 sheep. Okay? So the first statement is correct. And let's look at the second statement. The number of cows is half the number of sheep. So 8 is the double of 16, and 16 is the half of 8. So option D can be our answer, or option D is our answer. So the answer of question number 18 is option D, 24. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you understood the few questions that I explained. Bye.